In this video, we're going to be going over the new product, Lockdown, from Xantus Products. This is a spray weld for PVC. It has the cleaner, the primer, and the cement, all in one easy can. Now, this is extremely simple to use, and I'm just going to walk you through it here. We're going to start off here with the clear. It comes in two colors, purple and clear. And give it a good shake, so that way it comes out nice and even. Alright, pop that off there. We'll start by putting a nice even coat in the fitting. There we go. Make sure it's nice and even. There we go. Okay. And we'll put some on the pipe here. Now you want to get nice and even. There we go. Now to do this, just simply put it in there, and as you're putting it in, go ahead and twist. There you go. Nice and tight. Looks like we got a good bead going here. And it's nice and seated. Okay, so we'll set that to the side here. We'll go ahead and do another one with the purple, so you can see what that's going to look like. Give it a good shake. Alright. Once again, just inside the fitting, nice and even. Put it on in there. Go, go around, make sure it's nice and even. There we go. Grab ourselves a pipe. Do the same here. Nice and even coat here. There we go. Let's see if I can get a little bit more over here. There we go. Now we'll just slide it on in here, just like we did with the clear. Twisting as we push in. Alright, nice and firm, seated. Got a nice bead going there. And that's really it. It's just that simple, guys.